Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, join me in the energizing journey of preparing delicious and nutritious fitness food. Get ready to power up with flavors that pack a punch. Let's dive into the world of fitness-friendly cooking. Step 1. Protein-packed quinoa salad. Our fitness adventure kicks off with a protein-packed quinoa salad. For this, you'll need quinoa, grilled chicken breast, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, feta cheese, olive oil, lemon juice. Combine cooked quinoa with grilled chicken, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, and feta cheese. Dress it with a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. This salad is a nutritional powerhouse to fuel your workouts. Step 2. Energizing overnight oats. For a quick and energizing breakfast, let's whip up some overnight oats. For this, you'll need rolled oats, Greek yogurt, almond milk, chia seeds, fresh berries, honey. Mix rolled oats with Greek yogurt, almond milk, and chia seeds. Let it sit overnight, then top with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey in the morning. These overnight oats are a delightful blend of fiber and protein. Step 3. Baked sweet potato fries for snacking. Snack time just got healthier with baked sweet potato fries. For this, you'll need sweet potatoes, olive oil, paprika, sea salt. Cut sweet potatoes into fries, toss with olive oil, paprika, and a sprinkle of sea salt. Bake until they're crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. These fries are a tasty, nutrient-dense alternative to satisfy your snack cravings. Step 4. High-protein turkey and veggie skewers. Let's fire up the grill for some high-protein turkey and veggie skewers. For this, you'll need ground turkey, bell peppers, red onion, zucchini, olive oil, garlic powder, dried oregano. Mix ground turkey with olive oil, garlic powder, and dried oregano. Thread the seasoned turkey onto skewers with bell peppers, red onion, and zucchini. Grill until the turkey is cooked through and the veggies are charred. These skewers are a savory and protein-packed delight. Step 5. Refreshing green smoothie bowl. Let's cool down with a refreshing green smoothie bowl. For this, you'll need spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, almond milk, chia seeds, fresh fruit toppings. Blend spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and almond milk until smooth. Pour into a bowl and top with chia seeds and fresh fruit. This green smoothie bowl is a hydrating and nutrient-rich choice for post-workout recovery. Step 6. DIY protein bars for on the go. For convenient on-the-go snacks, let's make our own protein bars. For this, you'll need rolled oats, protein powder, almond butter, honey, dark chocolate chips. Mix rolled oats, protein powder, almond butter, and honey. Press the mixture into a pan, then melt dark chocolate chips and drizzle them over the top. Once chilled, cut into bars. These DIY protein bars are a tasty way to refuel between workouts. Step 7. Hydrating electrolyte-infused water. To stay hydrated and replenish electrolytes, let's make a simple infused water. For this, you'll need water, lemon slices, orange slices, mint leaves. Combine water with lemon slices, orange slices, and mint leaves. Let it infuse for a few hours in the fridge. This hydrating and refreshing drink is a perfect complement to your fitness routine. And there you have it. Fitness-friendly meals that are as delicious as they are nourishing. Whether you're refueling after a workout or preparing for an active day, these recipes provide the energy and nutrients your body craves. Enjoy the journey of fitness-friendly cooking and the rewards of a well-balanced lifestyle. If you enjoyed making fitness food with me today, stay tuned for more flavorful recipes and wellness adventures. Until next time, may your plates be vibrant, your workouts be invigorating, and your journey to a healthier you be both tasty and fulfilling.